Guide, cooking process. The cooking process guide outlines the steps needed to safely prepare recipes using the cooking function. This includes selecting recipes, conducting visual inspections, recording temperatures, and completing the session, all aimed at ensuring food is cooked safely and consistently. 1. Starting the cooking process. Select Cooking Process. From the main menu, choose the cooking process. Select a recipe. After selecting the cooking process, choose an available recipe from the drop-down list. Perform a visual inspection. Conduct a visual inspection of the recipe and its ingredients. Accept. If the inspection passes, proceed to the next step. Reject. If the inspection fails, provide comments and document any actions taken to ensure safety. Rejected items will not be used in the recipe. Optional, capture a photo. During the visual inspection, you can take a photo to document the inspection. 2. Starting the cooking session. Initiate cooking session. Once the recipe passes inspection, press Start Session to begin the cooking session. Temperature checks. At least one temperature reading must be recorded before the session can be completed. Manual entry. If entering manually, add a comment to explain the reason for manual entry. Bluetooth probe. If using a Bluetooth probe, data will be recorded automatically. 3. Completing the cooking session. Finish the cooking session. After completing the cooking process and recording temperatures, select Finish Session. This will complete the session and display a summary of the cooking process. Review. Summary. Review the session details on the summary page to ensure all records are complete and accurate. Next steps. From the summary page, you can either return to the main menu or start another cooking session. This guide ensures that the cooking processes are clearly defined and followed, from recipe selection and visual inspection to temperature checks and session completion, maintaining high standards for food safety.